Is there a why to this? Why there is so much water associated with this storm? One of the things we've heard from scientists over the last 10 years is that climate change does impact the intensity of many of the storms that we see.
I probably wouldn't attribute what we're looking at here. This is not an uncommon occurrence to see storms grow and intensify rapidly in the western Gulf of Mexico. That is, as long as we've been tracking them, that has occurred. The why for the big rain is the stationarity, the fact that the storm is going to come inland and not move. While it has happened in some cases, to have a really big storm come and fall like this is really rare.